Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my Meals Monday. I am looking rough. It's Sunday for me, so today's actually a rest day on the ADO challenge. And the reason I wanted to film this today is because the fact that Dawn and I are making some changes to our diet as far as like what we eat. And I guess that would be making changes to our diet. And I wanted to kind of document it, share it with you guys. Last week we watched the documentary The Game Changers, and Dawn has been pushing really close to being fully plant-based. He doesn't like red meat, doesn't eat a lot of chicken, eats a little tiny bit of fish, but predominantly has just been eating eggs. And so and then supplementing with whey protein powders. But after watching Game Changers, he really wants to try to make an effort to go fully plant-based. So we have like a new protein powder that's fully plant-based. We're going to finish off the eggs that we have and then not buy any more because obviously we don't want to throw them out. Anyways, so today I've been playing around with making vegan recipes or predominantly plant-based recipes. By the way, when people say plant-based, a lot of the times they mean 80%. Like 80% plant-based, 20% animal. So anywho's, today I made fully vegan pancakes and I wanted to share them with you. Okay, so this is what they look like. I have my vegan butter. I've been using this for years, Earth Balance. It's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. And my syrup is 100% grade A from Canada. And the pancakes, I'll show you the recipe. It was actually really easy to make. Dawn is like in there loving them. And I just put blueberries and strawberries on top. By the way, look at how big those blueberries are. Like, what the hell? Anyways, I just put blueberries, strawberries, and syrup on top. And that is my breakfast. Okay, so I just finished making lunch and we did plant-based tacos. They're not 100% vegan because I did use the Boathouse cilantro avocado yogurt dressing and a little bit of Parmesan. But the tortillas, all the filling, like I did tomatoes, red onion, red cabbage, and green cabbage. I think that's everything in there, yeah. Everything else is plant-based. So this is like an 80-20 situation here. But I just thought I'd show you because this is absolutely delicious. Dawn loves it. I love it. Literally everyone that ever eats this loves it. So for this, I cut the tomatoes into kind of like, I would say quarters, but maybe like an eighth. So like you cut the tomato in half, and then you cut it in half, and then you cut those in half. And it gives you like a thick quarter of the tomato, and that makes it, that's like gonna replicate your meat because it's a little bit thicker, a little bit more texture. And then I add the purple tomato, or red, not tomato, what am I saying? I add the red onion, which I love, so I always add a ton of that. And then I do purple and green cabbage, or red and green cabbage, just so that it's like the coleslaw topping. I don't like to add lettuce because I just feel like it's a little bit weak. This adds a bit more texture, and then I, like I said, did put a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some of the Bolthouse avocado yogurt dressing. This is delicious. I also add the La Victoria green, is it gonna focus on there? Green taco sauce. This stuff is literally my jam. I absolutely love it on everything. It's really mild, so it's not spicy at all, and just adds lots of good flavor. So that is my lunch. Okay, it is dinner time, and I made veggie burgers for dinner. This hamburger does have cheese on it and mayonnaise, but that's the only animal-based products. Other than that, the veggie burgers are the Morningstar Farms Meat Lovers vegan burgers. And this is what it looks like. I have a potato bun with red onion, tomato, pickles, the burger itself, avocado, and I think that's it. And I put okra on the side because I'm obsessed with this, although I have like 10 pieces here, and apparently the serving size is 2, so didn't know that one. So basically, I brought back the monthly giveaways starting in January, and January's winner is going to receive the Erin Condren Life Planner. So I'm going to stick who won here on the screen. And then congratulations, I will email you because I'm going to do a digital gift card so that then you can just order it straight away. But this month's giveaway is for a... what is it called? Kylie Cosmetics Stormy set. She came out with her Stormy range in celebration of her daughter's 2nd birthday. And I was able to order one of the sets. I tried to get the bundle. You know I tried to get the bundle because I always get the bundle. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the bundle. But I was able to get, where is it? Hold on and I'll show you guys. So I was able to get the mini high gloss set, which looks like this. And then also I was able to get the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is now sold out, as you can see. And this is these shades in the palette. So the winner of that is going to be announced in the first video of March. And yeah, I will have them soon. I ordered them yesterday when the launch came out. But literally, like, it all went so quick. It was ridiculous. Also, her bundle this time around, it was only $118, which I know sounds like a lot, but typically her bundles are like in the $200 range. And so I think that's why that bundle went so much quicker than normal, because it is a smaller collection. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to be entered, I'll stick a link down below that tells you all about how to enter. And I will see you guys in my